Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we're gonna present for the subject APT3093, Corporate Entrepreneurship. My name is Muhammad AMIRUL AZMI. My number meeting C20A1094. I am the representative for the group C. My group has 8 people that include me, Muhammad AMIRUL AZMI. Second, Muhammad DANIAL FAIZ bin AZIZ. Third, Muaz Syafiee bin Kamal. 4, Muhammad EZZAIDI bin JAAFAR. 5, Dayang SYAZWEEN binti AWANG AZIZ. 6, NURIN binti SHAHARUDIN. 7, SYAMIMI binti SEMAN. 8, NURAYUNI FATHIAH binti Muhammad AZMI. And that's all for my group.
INFINEON is a leading global designer, manufacturer and supplier of a broad range semiconductors in a various microelectronic application that founded in 1999. INFINEON is the only company to offer power semiconductors and power module for the entire electrical energy generation, transmission and conversion chain. INFINEON Technologies focuses on the 3 main areas: energy efficiency, communications and security. Therefore, it offers semiconductor and system solution for automotive, industrial electronics and chips card, and security as well as application in communications. INFINEON is the number 1 chip supplier to the automotive industry. It put a consistent focus on automotive application and their requirement, a profound understanding of the automotive system based on 40 years experience and a broad innovative product at outstanding quality.
Company background: INFINEON's Automotive and Industrial Business Group develops, manufactures and markets innovative semiconductors and complete system solutions for a broad spectrum of automotive and industrial applications. INFINEON supplies a wide range of semiconductors and complete system solutions for applications in the automotive industry, including power semiconductors, microcontrollers, discrete semiconductors, silicon sensors, and opto semiconductors, along with related technologies and packaging. Key products of the INFINEON is a leader in the productions of system-on-chip solutions for automotive applications using the C16X architecture and the award-winning 32-bit 3-core architecture. INFINEON's product portfolio also includes infotainment-specific microcontrollers, Bluetooth, cellular and GPS controllers, as well as high-frequency ICs, power semiconductors, LEDs, and optical transceivers. INFINEON's scalable solutions design provides flexibility for automotive system OEM customers and for auto manufacturers.
Vision. The company vision are to describe the future company envision and want to achieve for the organization. It is the ultimate goal that inspire and motivate everyone in the company to keep moving forward, shaping everything from the LOT, Artificial Intelligence and Industry 4.0, to deep machine learning and intuitive sensing. The digital transformation is becoming a reality and the physical world will be connected with the virtual world like never before. Company mission is the route to follow the vision. It is explain the purpose and the reason for the company existence, namely to solve the technology and social challenge for today, with the daily works and doing the part to create the easier, safer and greener for the generation to come.
This is the person who involved in organization chart at the INFINEON company. The Chief Executive Officer CEO is Dr. Richard Cross. As Chief Marketing Officer CMO is Dr. Helmut Gassel. As Chief Operation Officer COO is Jodson Hannebeck. For Chief Digital Transformation Officer CDTO is Constanze Hufenbicher. And for Chief Financial Officer CFO is Dr. Seven Sinider. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about the issues found in INFINEON company. The first issue is INFINEON union busting and discrimination against union leaders. A group of civil society organizations and trade unions has petitioned the German company INFINEON to stop union busting and to reinstate the president of the union representing INFINEON Technologies Malacca employees. So, the second issue is during the Malaysian lockdown, INFINEON is experiencing a microchip supply problem. Under those circumstances, any government imposed lockdowns such as the one at Malacca in Malaysia, whereas INFINEON has a production site, will especially or totally crash. So the last issue is INFINEON shares narrow sharply losses to trade 1.4% down. This is due to the fact that production cannot take place in Malaysia during the lockdown. Thank you.
The first solution is INFINEON union busting and discrimination against union leaders. The INFINEON company should call on INFINEON Technologies Malaysian Sdn Bhd. They have to respect and promote worker and trade union rights and cease discrimination against union leaders and also union busting activities. After that, they should call on Germany to ensure that INFINEON comply with the OECD guidelines, United Unions and International Labour Organization standards, principles and best practices and other similar obligations to ensure that human rights and worker rights are respected, protected and promoted. Finally, they should call for the immediate withdrawal of disciplinary actions or against other unit leaders and members or for revocations of any punishment that has already handed out. The second solution is INFINEON shares narrowed sharp yearly losses to trade 1.4% down. When conducting business with other firms in another nation, currency swings and increases should be anticipated. While swings may result in lower expenses, a significant rise may result in a loss of profit for the organization. When looking at trade finance possibilities, be sure the financing facilities employees that are dealing with understands the currency you are dealing with. Negotiating a fixed rate of the currency is also beneficial if the exchange rate climbs significantly in the future for INFINEON.
Third solution. During the Malaysia lockdown, INFINEON is experiencing a microchip supply problem. The INFINEON company should make internal impression on the risks that will be encountered during the lockdown that will be impressed on Malaysia as a result of the spread of the COVID-19 virus. One of the risks will be a lack of the staff, which will result in a lack of a microchip production. INFINEON should wrap up production of the microchip supply prior to the Malaysia lockdown in the preparation for the COVID-19 virus wave. Company will be INFINEON Group must also improve region management and risk monitoring. Next, the INFINEON company should be looking for a way to reduce risk by preparing a strict SOP before the epidemic spread, wearing a face mask, for the example, 1 meter social distance and always washing hands and using hand sanitizer. If the SOP is tightened prior to COVID-19 wave, it is likely that COVID-19 infection among workers will be reduced. As a result, production can be processed as usual in accordance with the SOP that has been established.
In conclusion, their technology have made cars, trains, industry plants, data center, and consumer electrics and household appliances as energy efficient as possible. Therefore, we have set ourselves the target of become carbon neutral by 2023. The company issue can be solved by solutions that we have discussed.